Hi guys, this is Artemis with SirLinksalot, and today we're going to be talking about casino and gambling backlinks. Now this is going to be very different from our other product videos, as this is not about a specific link type, but rather a competitive niche in which backlinks can be built for. And as such, we'll be referring you to other pages and videos with more information as appropriate. Keep in mind that we'll be covering a lot of things in this video, starting with some very basic things, so be sure to use the timestamps at the bottom to skip around if you'd like to refer to something specific. Today we'll be covering what casino and gambling links are, how to use them, how you can get some for yourself, as well as how you can place an order at the end of this video if that's something that you're interested in. Now that you know what to expect, let's get going. So what are casino and gambling links? Like mentioned before, casino and gambling links are not a specific type of backlink, but rather a niche for which backlinks are built. You can see here on our casino and gambling backlinks page that we have the premium and standard options for our casino and gambling guest posts, as well as down here we have the options for all of the other different types of gambling backlinks that you can order. You can find more information on exactly what each of these types of links are, whether they're white or black hat, why they're good for SEO, and even more on their individual product pages. Back up at the top, we'll go ahead and compare how each of these types of links differ from the other types of backlinks that we sell. In short, the only real difference is the pricing on some of these links. This is because it is generally more difficult to convince site owners to link to casino and gambling related sites due to them being considered a bad neighborhood niche. Scrolling back down to the types of backlinks that we sell for casino and gambling sites, if the pricing is on this page, it means that the pricing is slightly more expensive than our regular options. For example, our casino and gambling guest posts are slightly more expensive than our regular guest posts as well. Then, down here at the bottom, for all of these other types of links that we do for casino and gambling sites, these just take you to their respective product pages, and there is no pricing difference for these at all. It's also important to note that the links that we build for casino and gambling sites conform to the exact same quality standards that we hold all of our other products to. So again, the only real difference here is the pricing for some of these options. So next up, we're going to chat a little bit more about how you can use casino and gambling links. Just like in the previous section, information on how to use casino and gambling links, including when to build them, where to build them to, and a lot more, can be found on each individual product page. Unfortunately though, this is outside of the scope of this video, but definitely be sure to check out the other pages and videos as there's quite a lot more information on each of these types of backlinks. So here's how you can get casino and gambling backlinks. Just like any other type of backlink, you'll either need to acquire these links yourself or get them from a trusted provider. Each of our explainer videos on the individual product pages has information on how you can go about getting these link types yourself. But just like I mentioned before, convincing site owners to link out to casino and gambling niche sites is definitely a lot more difficult than other niches, on top of link building already being difficult and time consuming. This is why many SEOs get casino and gambling links from a provider such as ourselves. Now I'm going to go over our casino and gambling links and how you can place an order. Starting here at the top, you can see that we sell a variety of different link types, including guest posts, niche edits, and a wide assortment of different types of pillow links as well. Like I mentioned before, you can enjoy the same quality as all of our other SirLinksalot link offerings. Just because this is seen as a bad neighborhood niche does not mean that we build any worse links for it. As with our other links, we build these manually and there is no spam, of course. A lot of the times when people think of casino and gambling links, they think of auto-generated backlinks. That's definitely not what we do here. And last but not least, all of these sites are real, trustworthy sites, not link farms. Scrolling back up here, we finally get to our process, which is basically the same as the process for any other type of link that we sell. First, you place your order. You just fill out the order form like you would for any other type of link and give information that we need to complete your order. Next up, we go out and actually build the links. Now, the turnaround time will be a little bit different for each different type of link that we sell. For example, niche edits have a turnaround time of about 4 weeks or less, and guest posts have a turnaround time of about 3 weeks or less. The turnaround time is the same even though it's for casino and gambling backlinks. This does not change. You can find the turnaround time for each of the different products on their individual product pages. And finally, when we finish our work, we'll just send you a full report including all of the URLs for the links that we built for your order. Let's say you were looking around, you checked out our guest posts, and you decided that you wanted to put in an order for them. You can go ahead and click the Order Now button when you're ready, and if you wanted to click one of the other types of links down here at the bottom, you also could do that. For example, you can open up our Pillow Links page and place an order for Pillow Links just like you could for any other site. Back to our casino and gambling links page, let's go ahead and pretend like we're placing an order for our guest posts here. You can click the Order Now button when you're ready. After clicking the button, you'll be taken to an order form that looks something like this. Always be sure to read the text here at the top for any important information that you might need to know before placing your order. If you're placing an order for one of the link types where the pricing is increased on the casino and gambling product page, you'll definitely see a line here at the top letting you know that it's for our casino and gambling guest posts, not just for our regular guest posts. After reading all of this information, you can go ahead and give us your name and email. Next up, you can select the pack that you would like to order. Scrolling down here, you can give us your target URLs, your anchor text, and your niche. If you have a large order of links that you're placing, it might be cleaner and easier for you to upload an Excel file here. And at the bottom, you can include, of course, any additional information that you think that we might need to know before getting started on your order. And then when you've reviewed everything and you've seen the cost and you think everything is good to go, you can hit the complete purchase button to be taken to our payment portal. Like I mentioned before, each type of backlink that we have has its own turnaround time. If you would like to see a sample report for the types of links that we build, you need to go ahead and go to the actual product page for those links and scroll down to the FAQ section at the bottom. Alright guys, this is about it for casino and gambling links. We've covered a bunch of stuff from what they are to how to use them and how to get them, and hopefully this video has been helpful for you if you're thinking about placing an order. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email anytime at info@sirlinksalot.co or send us a message on Facebook. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube. It really helps us out a lot. And be sure to sign up for our mailing list on our homepage, as well as joining our Facebook group, the SEO Roundtable, to get VIP access to flash sales and updates and take part in our SEO discussion and learning community. All right, thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.